Good morning all. This is Prashanthi here to discuss about Database Management System Lab or SQL, Structured Query Language. In the last video, we have seen what are the different kinds of SQL commands, and we have gone through a brief discussion of that. In today's video, we'll see what are the first type of commands, that is DDL. DDL is Data Definition Language. In Data Definition Language, we create the structure of the table. As I have told you, structured query language deals with tables. In order to create a table, we need a command. So the first command is create. Create table statement is used to create a new table in the database. In order to create a table, we use a statement called as create table. This is the syntax of that: create table, table name, column 1, data type 1, column 2, data type 2, column 3, data type. Okay, here the red one indicates these two are the keywords in the dbms. These should be the same. And table name is what is the table that you want to create. The name of the table you have to specify here, and these are the column names, and these are the data types specified to that column. This is the example: create table. My table name is student, and these are the columns that I have added: roll number, data type is number, name, data type is varchar2, marks, data type is number, date of birth, data type is date. Okay, so here I want to tell you 2 points. DBMS is not a case sensitive language. It is not a case sensitive language. Okay, so that means there is no differentiation between lowercase letters and uppercase letters. Lowercase a is same as uppercase alphabet A, right? Now you have, these are the general data types that are used. One is number. Number indicates the numbers, that is the roll number. Roll number is a type of number. The roll number can be 5 digits long. Okay, name can, varchar2 indicates characters. Your name can be 25 characters long. Marks is numbers. Marks can be 5 digits long. 5 digits long. Date of birth can be date, and this is a date data type. Data type, you can specify the date in terms of day, month, and year. And you can write your own numbering here, the width of the number, varchar, and numbers. And after writing this, the output will be table created. Here you don't create the, you can't find the schema or structure of the table. In order to see the structure of the table, you have one more command called as DESC. DESC is describe command. This command shows the structure of the table. Okay, what is the syntax of that? DESC followed by table name. Example is DESC. What is the table that we have created now? Student. Student. And what is the output? This is the output. Name, these are the column names, and these are the type, data type of these column names. An extra column called null is specified here. This is the constraint on these columns. We'll be discussing about the constraints in the next class or in upcoming videos. Okay, now I'll show you how to execute these commands. uh, in order to execute SQL commands, you need a software called as Oracle. You can install any version of the Oracle. Okay, you can install any version of the Oracle. Here I am using Oracle 10G. After installing Oracle 10G, here you will be finding a plus symbol like Oracle software symbol, that is a plus with some green color symbol. This is the Oracle software symbol, and here if you click on that, you will be getting a visual. Now here, this is the SQL prompt. What is the first command? Create. What you are creating? You are creating a table. Okay, what table you want to create? You are creating a table called as student, right? Already I think it is I am just writing stud. create a table called as student. And what are the columns in that? One column is name. What is the data type of that? Name is varchar2. And what is the length of the name? Length of the name is 20. And the other column that I want to include is roll number. What is the data type of that? Number. And then next, the size of the data type of roll number is number. And next one is date of birth. Date of birth. And what is the data type of that? Date. And every uh, query here in DBMS will end with a semicolon. Enter. Table is created. Are you able to see the table? No, isn't it? In order to see the table, what is the command? Describe. DESC followed by table name. What is your table name? STUD. Right? Look here. This is the table created. Okay. What are the column names that you have included? Name, roll number, date of birth, and these are the data types pertaining to these columns. Now, if you want to add an extra column here, or if you want to delete one column from this table, or if you want to change the size of the data type, then you will be using one more command called as alter command. Okay, you will be using one more command called as alter command. When you, if you want to add an extra column or delete an extra column or modify the uh, data type, size of the data type, we use what? We use alter command. Alter statement is used to delete, add or modify the columns in the existing table. So what you want to do? You want to alter. Alter in the sense, if you buy a shirt or a dress, if it is too long, you'll cut it, or if it is too short, you'll add something. If you don't want, you'll throw it out, or like that, something else. Alter. Alter. What you want to alter? You want to alter a table. What table you want to alter? You have to specify the table name here. What you want to alter, whether you want to add or drop or modify, which column you want to add, or which column you want to drop, or which column you want to modify, that column you have to specify here along with the data type. So the first one is alter. Alter. I want to alter the table. Which table? Student table. What alteration you want to do? You want to add something. What you want to add? You want to add an extra column called age. And what is the data type of that? Number. What is the how long, how many digits is should be this age? This is 5. Sorry, the age may not be 5. Next, next command is drop. Now, if you want to drop a column called as date of birth, you don't need, since you are specifying age, if you don't need date of birth, then you want to alter the table. Which table? Student table. What you want to do? You want to drop. You want to drop a column. You have to specify these two. Red one indicates keywords. Drop a column. What column? Date of birth. Next, alter table called student. You want to modify now. What you want to modify? You want to modify roll number. Okay, previously the roll number is, the data type of roll number is number, and it is 5 digits long. Now it is, I want to change it to 10. That is 10. You can change here. Next, if you don't want the table at all, you can delete the table. Right, now we'll see how to execute these commands. Okay, open the SQL again, share. Now what you want to do? Alter. 1 minute. What you want to do? You want to alter the table. Which table you want to alter? STUD table. What you want to alter? You want to add an extra column called as age. What is the data type of that age? Number is the data type of that age, and then 2, right? Semicolon. See, table altered, but you can't see the table whether it is all. If you want to see whether it is altered or not, what is the command that you use? DESC command. See, an extra column called as age is added. Okay, what is the next command? Alter table. Which table you want to alter? Student table you want to alter. Now suppose you want to drop this date of birth. Already age is there, you don't need date of birth. So you want to drop. What you want to drop? You want to drop a column. Which column you want to drop? Date of birth. Semicolon. Table altered. If you want to check, again you use describe command. STUD. See, date of birth is deleted. Okay, now the other one is modify, isn't it? Alter table. What table? Student table. What you want to do? You want to modify. Suppose you want to increase the size of what? Size of roll number. Roll number, right? Next, what is the data type? Number. You want to increase that to 10. Table alter. If you want to see again, what is the command? Describe. Describe student. See, roll number is increased to 10, isn't it? If you want to delete, what is the command? Drop table name. What is the table name? STUD. Okay, sorry, it is alter. 1 minute. Drop table name. Table dropped. If you want to, if you want to check the description, STUD. See, what did you get? Object STUD does not exist, right? We'll see the next things in the next video. Thank you.